Hey guys! Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you history of iconic landmark located in France, known as Arc de Triomphe. So move toward my today's video. The Arc de Triomphe, located at the western end of the Champs-Élysées in Paris, France, is one of the most iconic monuments in the world. It stands as a symbol of French national pride, honoring those who fought and died for France during the Revolutionary and Napoleonic Wars. Origins and commission. Napoleon's vision. The Arc de Triomphe was commissioned by Napoleon Bonaparte in 1806, following his victory at the Battle of Austerlitz. He wanted a grand monument to commemorate the bravery of the French army, and to symbolize the glory of his reign. Architectural inspiration. Inspired by Roman triumphal arches, the design of the Arc de Triomphe reflects classical influences, combined with the grandeur of Napoleonic ambition. Design and construction. Architect. The initial design was created by Jean Chalgrin, who envisioned a neoclassical structure 50 meters high, and 45 meters wide. The design featured detailed sculptures and reliefs, celebrating French victories. Construction challenges. The project faced interruptions due to political changes, and Napoleon's eventual defeat. Construction began in 1806, but halted after Napoleon's fall in 1814. It resumed under King Louis XVIII, and was finally completed in 1836, during the reign of King Louis Philippe. Architectural features. Structure. The Arc de Triomphe stands 50 meters, 164 feet, tall, and 22 meters, 72 feet, deep. Engravings. The names of generals and major battles are inscribed on its inner and outer surfaces, while reliefs and sculptures depict key military scenes. Famous reliefs. Among the most notable is La Marseillaise by François Rude, which portrays the French people rising to defend their nation during the Revolution. Tomb of the Unknown Soldier. Beneath the arch lies the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier, added in 1921 to honor soldiers who died in World War I. The eternal flame burns in memory of the fallen. Historical significance. Symbol of victory. The Arc de Triomphe has been the site of numerous military parades, including Napoleon's return of his remains to Paris in 1840, the victory parades after both World Wars, and Bastille Day celebrations. Occupation and liberation. During World War II, German troops marched through the Arc in 1940, to mark the occupation of Paris. It became a symbol of resilience, when French and Allied troops marched through it in 1944, to celebrate the liberation of the city. Modern era. The Arc de Triomphe remains a symbol of national pride and unity. It attracts millions of visitors annually, offering panoramic views of Paris from its observation deck. In 2021, the monument was wrapped in fabric as part of an art installation by Christo and Jean-Claude, bringing contemporary significance to this historic structure. Legacy. The Arc de Triomphe is more than a monument, it is a testament to France's enduring spirit, honoring the sacrifices of its people and celebrating its history. Standing at the heart of Paris, it continues to inspire awe as a masterpiece of architecture, and a symbol of resilience and pride. If you enjoyed today's video, then like and share my today's video, and subscribe my YouTube channel.